Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. It's good at the market, even though it's raining. Enjoy the rain. It's the first time to rain here in the month of February. So I'm happy also to see the rain, walk under the rain instead of taking the shuttle bus because it's rainy. I love to walk under the rain, but of course with umbrella. How about you, ladies and gentlemen? Do you want to walk under the rain with raincoat or umbrella or umbrellas? So nice to walk here. I can see also the people. I meet some people. I meet some people. I meet people here, following people using umbrella. It's nice to see everyone here. Even though I don't know them, but so happy to see people walking. I don't like to stay at home always in work, in work, in work. But anyway, I'm heading to the market. It's heavy in here, but you cannot see, it's a little bit cloudy. Rain, rain, go away. How can the rain go away? It's raining. It's good so that it's not dusty. And also the plants, the water the plants. The plants are very happy also. How do I know that the plants are very happy? I saw them smiling. See, they're smiling. The plants. The plants are smiling. There's no bicycle. And the plants are smiling over there. Oh, I saw. Sometimes it's good to walk under the rain. Not always under the sun, light, sunshine. It's raining, but it's not very cold. It's temperate. This is my way to the market. Almost every day. Okay, that's the curbway. Oh yeah, it's a little bit. Have a good day, everyone. This is all for today. Almost reached the market, and see you next time, everyone. Hope everybody is doing well today. Everybody is healthy. Whatever we have struggles or anything that make our life difficult, everybody should be cheer up, be happy every day. Actually, for me, I'm being hard up, but when I wake up in the morning, thanks God who created me. Thanks Him for giving me another day. So this is my message to everyone. Whenever we wake up in the morning, we should thank our Creator who created us, who gave us life. So start our day with a happy day, despite of all the hardships in life, whatever we are encountering in life. So be happy, be positive always. Ladies and gentlemen, bye-bye. This is all for today. See you to my next video. Have a good day. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel and your general support. I appreciate everything. Okay, bye-bye.